95% of beginners trying affiliate marketing fail because they do this backwards. I'm going to show you the exact 3-step system that is going to flip whatever has been taught to you. And it is going to work even if you are completely starting from zero. You don't need to have a huge following, or you don't need to do months of content creation, or you definitely don't need to become an influencer. In the next 8 minutes, you're going to learn how to find profitable niches using the triangle method, and also how to build simple landing pages that convert, and also how to get targeted traffic to your offers using proven methods that most people never mention online. But first, let me show you the one mistake that is costing thousands of dollars for beginners, and why if you don't fix this now, you're going to stay stuck in the 9-to-5 grind in a year from now. Here's the brutal truth. Most affiliate marketing advice is completely backwards, and everyone is teaching you to create content first and build an audience and then make money in the third. And that's why most people quit broke and frustrated. 2 years ago, if you had created a blog post about weight loss, you had a fighting chance of ranking in the Google search. But now, Google's AI overview is stealing all the traffic before anyone visits your site. And this is exactly the reason why affiliates are failing. They are playing a game where the rules have changed, but nobody has told them. While everyone else is chasing vanity metrics like followers and likes, there are a small group of affiliates who are completely doing an opposite approach. They are making consistent money with audiences smaller than a high school graduating class. And here's what scares me. If you follow the same outdated strategies that everyone else are teaching, you're going to waste months creating content that is not going to be seen, or you're going to spend money on irrelevant platforms, on ads, and eventually you'll end up like 95% of beginners do. You're going to fail. And that's exactly why I'm going to show this simple 3-step system. The method I'm about to show you is going to prevent all of that. This method has 3 core steps that work together. And here's why this is completely different from everything else. Step number 1, profitable niche triangle with high converting offers. Now, most people pick products based on their passion or commission rates. That's wrong. In this method, I'm going to show you the 3 criteria system that you need to use to pick high converting offers every time. Step number 2, simple landing page. Now, most people build complex funnels and landing pages which confuse visitors. But here we are going to build simple opt-in and bridge pages that convert the traffic into commissions. Step number 3, fast traffic generation method. Here I'm going to show you the secret traffic source that most people never show it online, and it's perfect for beginners. This isn't a theory. Michelle from Making Sense of Sense makes over $50,000 in affiliate earnings monthly. And Pat Flynn, he makes over $100,000 monthly in affiliate marketing using similar principles. So we can clearly see that affiliate marketing is working and it's helping a lot of beginners to make money online. Now let's move on to the step number 1, the profitable niche triangle with high converting offers. Now most people select offers based on whatever they like, based on their passion or commission rates. And some people choose based on high commission rates. But that's exactly the recipe for failure, and it's costing them thousands. Now this profitable niche triangle has 3 sides, and miss any one, your business is going to collapse. And if you get it right, it's going to make you money even while you sleep. Side 1, personal interest or knowledge. Now you don't need to be an expert, but you really need to have the interest to keep going even when everything is getting against you. I've seen people choosing niches purely for money, but getting burned within 60 days and losing lots of money in it. Don't let that be you. Side 2, market demand with proof. Now here's where most gurus get it wrong. They ask you to go and look for untapped niches with zero competition. But that's a terrible advice. Zero competition means there is no scope for money in it. You need to have a manageable competition, and you need to have people making money in it already. And that's where you can get a piece of the pie. And you can use Google search to look for search volume that is getting consistently for at least 12 months and not like some random spikes. But the real validation isn't in the search volume, but it's in the ads that has been put up. Side 3, high converting products that pay well. Now this is where most beginners get it lost. And you need to find a product that is high converting and that pays well. Here's an example. A product paying $500 per sale but converting at 0.1% conversion rate is worthless compared to a product that is paying $50 but converting at 5%. So I guess you get the math. Now here are the three metrics that are separating the winners from losers. Now, number one, EPC, earnings per click. Now, if you're getting EPC of a product at $2.50 and you can get clicks to those offers at $1 each, then you are looking at a gold mine. Number two, gravity score. And this is especially for ClickBank products. And I honestly recommend you to go and sign up for ClickBank because it's a beginner friendly platform where you can get the links without any approval. If you look at the gravity score, you can always look for 20 to 100 because less than 20 is going to be very difficult for conversion, and anything more than 100, it's going to be too much of a competition. And the third one is going to be refund rates, and refund rates should always be less than 10%. So always look for products that is having less than 10% refund rates. Find niches where there are at least 3 to 5 competitors that is running ads. And if they are running month after month, then definitely it's profitable. But here's the critical mistake that kills most campaigns. Once you find your profitable triangle, you send the traffic direct to the vendor's sales page. And here's why the step 2 is crucial. Step number 2 is simple landing page system. Now, most affiliates or beginners send traffic direct to the vendor's sales page, or they build complicated funnels which will confuse their visitors. Both these approaches leave a lot of money on the table. When you send traffic directly to your vendor sales pages, you don't have any control. You don't have any data. You don't have any follow-up system. And you're hoping and praying, and hoping is not a business strategy. You need a simple bridge page. Now, a simple landing page in this case, where you connect the traffic with the vendor sales page. And here are the 5 important components of a landing page. And miss one, your conversions are going to die. Element number 1, benefit-driven headline. It should be not features, but benefits. For example, how Sarah lost 23 pounds weight without giving up on her favorite foods. Element number 2, strong social proof. Now, affiliates offers normally convert at 1 to 3%, but a strong social proof can take the conversion rates up to 5 to 8%. Element number 3, clear value proposition. It should answer what's in it for me, for the visitor, in 10 seconds. Otherwise, they are going to bounce. And element number 4, call to action. It should be one button, one action, one focus. And there should not be multiple options over there. Element number 5, mobile optimization. Mobile users are 64% more likely to convert on optimized pages. Now you can build this simple landing pages using WordPress themes, or you can use landing page softwares like System.io, which is completely free. And you always need to have a clean, simple landing page rather than a fancy, long landing pages that is confusing. And here's what terrifies me most about the beginners. They spend weeks trying to create the perfect landing page without getting even a single traffic onto their landing pages. That's a terrible thing to do. You need to test your landing pages before optimizing it. Now here comes the most important step, which is the step number 3, the fast traffic generation. Now this is where most people or beginners fail completely online. It's because of traffic. And here's a reality check. You don't need to become an Facebook ads or Google ads guru to make things work. You have different types of paid traffic available, like Google ads, which is like search intent ads, like people are actively searching for solutions online, and you can always put up ads, and they are giving advertisers up to $1,800 in ad credits. Target best weight loss program for women over 40 rather than just targeting weight loss. And next comes Facebook ads, and this is about pattern interruption. Start with interest targeting around your niche. And number 3 is free medium, which is like Reddit, Quora, or Medium targeting, where people are actively searching for some kind of answers. You can help them by providing answers and then softly pushing them to your landing pages. And even single answers can generate hundreds of targeted visitors. But here's where most people get stuck. Google ads really overwhelms with keyword research. Facebook ads always has audience insights, which you don't have. And free medium like Reddit, Quora requires a lot of momentum through months. Now, what if I told you there's a secret traffic source that most gurus never mention, but people are really making money with it? And it's called solo ads. Now, what is solo ads? Email promotions sent to someone else's subscriber list in your niche. And it's just like borrowing someone else's audience for a day. Now, why solo ads is very good for beginners? Because they're already pre-qualified and they are already in the niche in which you are, and they already have shown interest in buying products which you are promoting. You just don't need to have huge amount of thousands of dollars to start with for solo ads. You just need $50 to $100 to start. You have to find reputable solo ad sellers who guarantee real clicks, not bot clicks, and have positive reviews and have tracking in their setup. Now, if you need the exact affiliate marketing formula that is helping hundreds of beginners make money online right now, which is working, then you can always watch the video on top right of your screen. But here's the strategy that breaks most of the beginners. They try to invest money in all platforms at the same time and try to scale it on it. But that's not the right thing to do. You have to start with one platform, master it until it is profitable, then expand to other platforms. Focus on converting the traffic, not just getting the traffic. There are 3 important metrics that you need to know, or else you're going to gamble with your money. Number 1 is click-through rate, or people clicking on the ads. If not, you have to check your ad copy. Number 2, conversion rate, or they taking any action on the landing pages. If not, you have to change your messaging on your landing page. Number 3, cost per acquisition. How much does a sale cost? This should be lower than your commissions. You can use Google Analytics for free tracking, and you can kill what doesn't work and scale what is working right now. And most of your profits will come from 80-20 formula, right? 80% of profits from 20% of your efforts or activities. Here's what terrifies me. If you're not tracking, then you will not know what is working and what is not working. And that's where most beginners, when they try to earn some money, they fall into this trap of not knowing what is working without having proper tracking tools. Now that's it. This is the same method that every affiliate marketers, top affiliate marketers use to make money. The average affiliate marketer makes around $8,000 per month, but people using these kind of systems see results far above this average. So if this video really helped you in getting affiliate marketing strategies and how to start affiliate marketing and where to start affiliate marketing, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. Now, if you don't take action today, you'll be in the exact same position next year watching others succeed in making money online while you're still dreaming of your financial freedom. So the choice is yours.